Hey everyone, Hang Time Mario here, and we just got off of Hang Time, obviously. I'm at Knott's Farm with two of my friends. And, well, right now we're heading to Accelerator. This footage right here. Hang Time's going up that vertical lift hill right now. And they're about to hit the holding brake. Oh crap, that scared me. Yep, there it is on the holding brake. And, oh god, there's trash over there. Yes, I call Coast out of trash because it's not that good. Oh yeah, there goes Hang Time going around. Over here. And, oh, there it goes through that negative G solid. Oh, that corkscrew is the roughest part of the ride, unfortunately. And I think that's going to do it for this vlog. Stay tuned for another one later. And if you like this video, definitely smash that like button, subscribe, peace out.